Welcome. This is how to connect Google Sheets to n8n. So guys, first is just simply go to your workflow into your n8n, and now from here you can just simply add a first step into your new workflow. And now over here you could use the search bar in order for you to go for Google Sheets. And now you should be able to have a specific icon over here. So you could just simply select on it. And now first, just simply set a trigger. You could go for added, updated, or on a specific row. So let's say I'm going to go for added only. And now from here, you should be able to see credential to connect with. So you could just simply click on this one over here, and you should be able to select create new credential. Now over here guys, as you can see, you should be able to have an option over here if you are going to allow HTTP request domains, and you will have an options none or specific domains. And down below you should be able to select sign in with Google, which from here you should be able to connect with your Google account. And right after that, a pop-up window will show up, and just simply select your account in order for you to connect it. Now from here, as you can see, the n8n cloud wants an access, so make sure to select all in order for you to connect both of them, and select continue right here. And right after that, you should be able to have your Google Sheet connected into your n8n. And when you close this out, of course, just simply fill all of the necessary information needed in order for you to create your workflow. There you go. See ya.